All right, we're going to create a value scale in our sketchbook. I've placed my book in the horizontal position, and what I want to do is place a 1-inch bar straight across the middle of my paper. So the first thing I'm going to do is find the middle of my paper. So I've got my ruler here, and I've lined the 8-inch mark right up with the bottom of my paper. I don't use the top because the top can be kind of off-centered because of the fold. So now that I have it on the 8, I'm going to put a mark at the 4 and the 5 because that's about in the center of my paper. So there we go. I'm moving this down to the middle now. Again, I'm making sure that 8 is lined up at the bottom of my paper. 4, 5, then slide it on over. 4, 5. That creates 1, 2, 3 marks right across the paper. I'm going to connect them all, place my ruler horizontally, and lightly connect all 3 of those marks. Okay, so now we have this 1-inch bar that goes all the way across the edge of our paper. Our paper is 11 inches, and we need a 10-inch value scale. So we're going to give ourselves a 1/2-inch border on the left and the right side. Place your ruler so that the 0 mark is on the edge of your paper, not the edge of the ruler, but that 0 mark. That's very important. And you're going to place a mark at 1/2 inch. Here's 0, here's 1 1/2 inch. It's a big line right there in the middle. I'm going to do that at the top and bottom of my bar. There we go. Stop folding over. Move the book down a little bit. All right. I'm going to do that over here. I'll flip the ruler over there. Place the 0 along the edge, 1/2 inch, 0 along the edge, 1/2 inch. So now I can connect my 1/2 inches, and that's going to be the ends of my bar. So I can erase out anything on the other side. Now we have a bar that's floating in the center of our paper. So take your ruler horizontally along the bottom line. Make sure that the 0 is lined up with the edge of your value scale, and you're going to make a little mark every inch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. You will then repeat the process for the top line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And you've guessed it, now we're going to connect those marks. And you should end up with 10 1-inch boxes. Try and keep your ruler as perfectly vertical as you can, connecting those 2 marks. Cut up. We have a 1-inch value scale that takes up 10 inches on your 11-inch sketchbook. Now you're going to use your ebony pencil, and you are going to create your value scale. I'm going to number mine just so you can see what I mean. And you want your 9 to be as dark as you can get it, 8's a little lighter, 7's lighter than that, and so forth until you're barely any value here. Remember to keep your values even. Add layers slowly. Make sure that your value is even within each box, and then it makes regular steps across your value scale. There you go. Let's try it.